Here is RV-8 70 Generation 2 from Flex Innovations. We're going to mount the stab on the plane, and there is two tubes. This is different to the Generation 1. This thin tube, this one, it goes here in the front. And then you have the longer tube. We covered this before, but this is the longer tube of the two. Rudder is the short one and the long one is on the stab. So the next thing we're going to do is put this speed lock on the unlock position. In this case, it's backwards. And so I'm going to grab the stab and just slide it over here. Slide in there, and now we're going to put this in the lock position. And you do exactly the same thing on the other side, and it should be ready to go. Here we are with the RV-8 70 Generation 2 from Flex Innovations. I want to show you the vertical fin installation. This is a very important feature for this airplane because, as you see in here, it allows to transport this airplane in small spaces. You don't need a lot of space to get this airplane to the field. We did have this feature as well in our Generation 1, but the cool thing with this Generation 2 is we have the speed lock. So basically, with no tool, you can remove the vertical fin in matters of few seconds or maybe a couple minutes. And so let me show you how all this works. First thing, we will grab the tube. Grab the tube over here. This carbon tube, it looks like the one on the stab, but actually this is shorter. So out of the two tubes, the shorter one is for the vertical fin. We're going to slide this tube over here like that. Then we're going to grab the vertical fin and rudder, and we're going to do the wire for the hinge, but only the first hinge. Do not do the rest because we need this to go in an angle in order to position these other hinges. So the next thing we're going to do is make sure this is in unlock position, which is forward, and we're going to put this over here. We're going to slide it down in position like that, and we're going to put it, see, that's why you need the hinges off. Goes down like this. Now we're going to do the bollock over here. This goes through the hole like that. And now we're going to push all the way down. We're going to lock this up right there. And now we're going to get the hinge in line like that. The next thing, we're going to push down the wire for all the hinges. All the way like that, till full position. Basically, that's it. If you want to take it apart, just follow the same step reverse way, and then I think that converts this airplane in a very small airplane, and it makes things a lot easier to transport. Alright, continue with the field assembly. We're going to install the wing, so we're doing this left panel, and I want you to look at here these fiberglass tabs. You see the hole, that's where the pin goes for the speed lock pin. It goes through that hole. That's our our design. The core of the design is basically we'll replace the bolt by the pin. And also notice this pin here is already glued to the wing, so you don't have to install. And this is the main tube. So once the wing is in, of course you're going to connect the MPX connector, but now you're going to slide the wing in position. Now the important part here is this locks. It needs to be in the unlock position all the way up. All the way up. So now you can push. Up there, a little bit. And then you're going to push here. Click, click, it's ready to fly. It's important also, and these tubes are flush with the canopy, so that's also a way to tell that it's in the lock position. So you repeat this with the other panel and you're ready to go. And finally, we're going to do the canopy installation. So the first thing to check is they're all the way down, so we're ready to fly. The next thing, we're going to rotate this quarter turn to put it in the unlock position. We're going to put the canopy like this, and then I'm going to push forward. There, all the way in. We're going to turn this, lock, lock, and with this we complete all the field assembly, and you should be ready to go. Thank you for watching.